Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's poppin'? What's up? Ready to get lit? So today I am going to talk about my intro. Sorry, but I'll be talking about my intro. So I'm excited. Okay, so welcome to my channel. So my name is Heybestfriends, or you can call me Alex. So today I'm going to give you guys a little overview of my channel. So I will be talking about things that I will be bringing to my channel. So first, let's talk about fashion, okay? Let's talk about fashion. So I'll be doing like lookbooks, you know, because I know me, like I like to go on YouTube and look for lookbooks to see, like, you know, women like my size, you know, that has like the same type of features as me, you know, to see how they dress things, to see how they, you know what I'm talking about. And then I'm gonna do fashion DIYs, like things that, okay, let's say how to turn this shirt into this beautiful dress. Like I'll be doing, you know, I got y'all. I'll be doing hauls and trying hauls and unboxing and stuff like that. And I'm gonna bring in the beauty side of things, you know? Like, do you guys like this makeup? Do you like this makeup? If you like this makeup, let me give you a closer view. If you like this makeup, you're gonna smash that like button, you're gonna hit subscribe, and you're gonna turn on this notification bell. So every time I put out a content, you're gonna get it right directly from your phone. Alright, okay? We're gonna talk about skincare, we're gonna talk about my skincare routine, we're gonna talk about natural hair, because as you can see, boo, I have natural hair. And we all know in the natural world, this is not something that's easy. So I'm gonna give you, like, you know, some little tips and tricks on how you can do that, okay? And then we're gonna do nails. My nails are like, I just took everything off. I'm just letting them breathe for a little bit, you know? But we're gonna get into that. And then we are going to do so much DIYs because I am very creative. And I wanna bring them out to my channel. You know, I wanna put my stuff out there. I wanna let you guys see my art creative world, you know. And then look, if I'm eating right, if I'm cooking right and I'm eating right, I want you to cook right and eat right too. So I'm gonna be doing cooking videos. I'm gonna be a little chef, alright? I'm gonna teach you how to make you know, how to cook. I'm gonna teach you different, you know, culture foods. Like, I cook a lot of different cultures. Like, I do Jamaican.
I'm Haitian Canadian, by the way, but I do Haitian food, Jamaican food, Indian food, Mexican food, what else? American food. I do African food, not fufu. You know, I do African food, Vietnamese food, Greek. You name it,
girl. You name it. I got you. And then I want to bring out into the I want to get into the vlogs. You know, it's my first time, you know, actually making a video on YouTube, you know, so it's my first real video, I'm gonna say. Okay, so bear with me. I'm gonna be doing reviews, you name all the fun stuff. Okay, so if you like what you see so far, smash that like button, write me a comment to say welcome, or you know, y'all can't wait or whatever. Like, give me some motivation, you know what I mean? And then y'all can subscribe to my channel and put in that notification bell so you can get my next content. Hey. Without further ado, thank you for stopping by. Once again, my name is Heybestfriends, and see you soon.